Today, we'll be taking a look at the main control on this Samsung French door refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove our cover here. It is held on by 5 Phillips screws. When you get your screws out, do note that this one is a machine thread screw, so you keep that one separate. Then, to remove your panel, you will lift up, slide it out, and set it to the side. Now that we have the panel removed, we have clear access to our main control down here. Now there's many reasons why you'd be replacing your main control. It could be anywhere from lights, it could be your compressor's not turning on, it could be one of the fans aren't working, but if you have determined that it is the main control, in order to replace it, first we'll have to take off all of our wiring here. Now each one of these Molexes have a locking pin at the top. So while you're pulling out on them, just pinch it, right, that locking pin, and separate. Okay, now that we have all of the wiring removed, in order to take the board out, there is locking tabs at the top. You will press up on the black locking tabs and kind of pull out at the same time. That one out, that one, there we go. Bring it out at an angle, lift it up, and set the board to the side. When installing your new control, first, we're going to bring it in where the blue wire is at the top and the coils are on the bottom. We're going to bring the bottom in first and just get it behind that mounting tab there. Make sure all of our wires is out of the way. Once we're in there, gently push back, but when you're pushing back, put pressure and push up on the pin so you do not damage your new board. Then we're going to plug back in our wiring. Just gently go in one at a time. If they do not go in easily, do not force it. Make sure all of our wires are tucked back so that they're safe. And now we can reinstall the cover. When reinstalling your back panel, first we'll bring in the top and bring it in at an angle and drop it on those hooks there. Next, you're going to go around with all the regular screws, followed by the machine screw at the end. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.